Nagpulong din ang COMELEC at Regional Joint Security Control Committee at tinalakay ang mga hamon sa seguridad para sa 2025 BARM Parliamentary Election.
Bilang panghuli, isa lang po ang request ko sa bawat isa sa AFP and PNP. Dati-rati, yung pa naman yun, lagi na lang kami nauubusan, namamatayan ng mga kasamahan, nasasaktan ng mga kasamahan. Napakasakit po yung gano'n, sapagkat katulad nyo rin mga sa tropa ninyo, pag may isang nagsakripisyo, ay sakit ng buong organisasyon yun. Para bang wala tayong nagawa man lang para protektahan ng bawat isa. Sana po, yung proteksyon na binibigay natin sa sambayanan, ay may bigay din natin na proteksyon sa bawat maglilingkod sa halalan. Hindi lamang sa aming mga election assistants, election officers, casuals, sa ating mga guro na maglilingkod sa bawat presinto. Sa mga citizens ng NAMFRA at PPCRD, sana walang bubuwis ng buhay. Dahil ang isang eleksyon, hindi panahon ng pagbubuwis ng buhay. Ang isang eleksyon ay panahon ng pag-asa sa sambayanan.
The 6th Infantry Division and Joint Task Force Central will always be your partner in ensuring for a credible, peaceful, and orderly election here in BARM. We have been always ready, and currently we're doing activities to ensure that we are prepared. Among these are the risk assessment, looking at several areas where there will be security challenges. We're also currently doing security coordination with the PNP and COMELEC. And one of these venues is the Regional Joint Security Control Center. So this will not just be the first and only meeting, but there will be a series of meetings to ensure that all gaps will be checked.
For the part of the PNP, sir, the PRO bar will always follow, will always is really committed to the programs, to the directives, and to the orders coming from our COMELEC coming this coming election day, election period. It is our hope that the elections will not just be peaceful, as the chairman of, as our RED have said. We are hoping that the election will be credible, so that the Bangsamoro will progress.